Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're doing very well today, and I hope none of you are too sick. Alright, this is my video lesson for today. Let me quickly go through it. Today we are going to do the module, write in the module, or at least read from the module, on lesson 20, page 1. So please open your module so that we can read. And then please also go to classx.org and Mr. West. And today for grade 5 we're going to do L3 lesson 20. So we click on that, go down. This is the page in the module. And then we're going to do some vocabulary. And after that some reading. And finally a game to review. So let's first look at the reading. We're not going to read the whole reading here. Instead, I have summarized it. So let's just quickly go through the vocabulary down at the bottom of the page. Shelter means a safe place you go when there is danger. A colony means a lot of people or animals living together. Climate means the temperature or rain in a specific area. A region means a place that has the same things, like same kind of forest or the same kind of desert. And overheated means become too hot. Unexpected means something that happened that you did not expect would happen. And the wilderness means like a forest where there are no people, just the plants and the animals. Layer means different layers on top of each other. And then constant means something that does not change. Gliding means like an eagle gliding through the air. Okay, so next what you need to do is you go to spell the vocabulary. So here you can read, a place where the group of people come to settle which is under control of their home country. America was a colony of England before it became independent. So you can listen to it and then type colony. And then after you type, press enter. It will show you the answer, if it's correct or not, and then you continue and go through all of the words. After that, we go to the reading. First contact means the first time people meet aliens. So, here we go. We finally found a planet with a climate like Earth's. Here, our tiny colony of humans held on to survive. We stayed close to our shelter that we used for protection. It was a difficult life, but we had come so far. They've gone through the universe, through different solar systems to find a planet where they can live. We have searched 12, means 12, unexplored solar systems. A solar system is usually one sun with many planets. And found hundreds of planets that looked beautiful from a distance, from far away, but were deadly up close. People couldn't live there. None of those worlds was for humans. Then one day, something totally unexpected happened. We didn't think it would happen. I felt a strange shadow stretch out over the landscape. It made the temperature drop. There was such a big shadow that it made everything get colder. At first I thought it might be a dust storm, a storm where there's a lot of dust in the air, like at a desert, or an eclipse when the moon goes in front of the sun. I turned to look up as a gigantic, very large, very big, flying object, something that is flying but we don't know what it is, came gliding through the clouds to fill up the entire sky. Entire means whole sky. As it passed over my head, it looked like an entire city was floating through the air. It made a humming noise that we could feel in our bodies. Then it stopped above us. We waited for something to happen. Then a narrow beam of light cut through the sky, carrying 3 of the strangest creatures I had ever seen. Now, at last, we were not alone in a great big universe. There were aliens. First time to meet aliens. Okay, and then when you have finished reading that, and make sure you understand every word of it, if you do not, please take a dictionary and look up the words. Then you can go to Reading and Vocabulary Review. Review the reading and vocabulary by playing the Blooket game. So all you do is press play the game. It will take you to a new tab where you don't need to enter an ID. All you need to enter is your name, Mr. West, and then continue on to the game. All right, and I will see tomorrow who the winner of the game was. Okay, that is all for today's lesson. Please go through the lesson and have fun. See you next class. All right, goodbye.